Lesson 3, Serving Signs. After we complete the lesson, you'll be able to choose the right serving size for foods representing all 5 food groups using hand symbols as comparisons. Compare the hand symbols for serving size to household measures. Identify the number of servings from each food group needed daily. Distinguish single, half, and double servings of food group foods. I want you to think about some common sizes of objects. So I want you to think about a softball. Would it work to play softball with the basketball? No, it's way too big. Would it work to play softball with a marble? No, it's way too small. What about if it was raining outside? Could you take a patio furniture umbrella when it rains? No, that's way too big and heavy to hold. What if you took an umbrella that was for your doll? No, that's way too small and it wouldn't keep you dry. So today we are going to learn some helpful hints for recognizing the right size serving of many different foods.
Hello, my name is Miss Sonia, and I'm with Dairy Council of California, representing the Let's Eat Healthy movement. Today, I'm going to be your nutrition educator. In today's video, we are going to be going over serving sizes in our meals using hand symbols. Now, let's go over what you learned about serving sizes in hand symbols to test your knowledge. Can you distinguish between half, single, or double serving of food in these scenarios? How many servings of whole grain are in this sandwich? There are 2 servings. Each slice of bread is 1 serving. Scenario 2. This salad has 1 cup of lettuce. How many servings are there? This salad has half a serving of lettuce. Remember, 1 full serving of salad is equal to 2 fifths, which is 2 cups. Since the plate only has 1 cup of lettuce, you are eating half a serving of vegetables. Scenario 3. How many servings of grain, vegetables, and protein are in this pasta dish? This pasta has 1 serving of whole grain, 1 serving of vegetables, and 1 serving of protein. Scenario number 4. How many servings of grain, dairy, and vegetables are in the quesadilla? This quesadilla has 1 serving of grain, which is the tortilla, 1 serving of cheese, and 1 serving of vegetables. Scenario number 5. How many servings of grain, dairy, and fruit are in this breakfast meal? This breakfast has 1 serving of whole grain cereal, 1 serving of fruit, and half a serving of dairy. Great, thank you for following along. We just went over these scenarios to help us determine the number of serving sizes we have in different meals. Next time, take a look at your meal and think about how many servings of different food groups you have in front of you. I hope you will continue to tune in to learn more about nutrition and how to be healthy and fit.
Let's take a look at the serving size comparison chart. So if we're looking at the blue, the dairy group, if you're measuring cheese, it's the size of your pointer finger, that's 1 serving. If you're measuring milk or yogurt, it's the size of your fist. So if you're having a half a serving, it's half of your fist. If you're having a double serving, it's the size of 2 fists. Let's look at the vegetable group. 1 serving of vegetables is typically 1 fist unless it's leafy green vegetables, and then it is 2 fists. In the fruit group, canned or the size of the fruit, no matter what, the serving size is 1 cup. And for grains, dry cereal, 1 fist is 1 serving size, it's about a cup. For noodles and rice and oatmeal, it's a half of a cup, so it's a handful. And a serving size of whole wheat bread is a slice of bread, so that's about the size of your palm. And when we're talking about proteins, chicken, beef, fish, pork, it should be able to fit into the palm of your hand. That's about 3 ounces. And if we are talking about peanut butter or nuts, it is the size of your thumb. 1 serving is a tablespoon. And now we're going to play a fun Kahoot about serving sizes as a whole group. If you would like to play Kahoot later on your own, you can put this code in 027490067. Get ready, here we go. So I'm going to read the question and then I am going to read the answers. When you see the answer that you want, I want you to make that hand symbol. So, breakfast. The hand symbol for one tortilla is a fist, one flat hand, one foot, or one pointer finger. If you had out one flat hand, you are correct. A serving size for a tortilla is the size of one flat hand. The hand symbol for one cup of strawberries is one pointer finger, two flat hands, one fist, or one thumb. If you had one fist, you are correct. A serving size of fruit is 1 cup. I bet a lot of people will remember this one. The hand symbol for a tablespoon of peanut butter is 1 thumb. True or false? 1 thumb. That answer is true. A tablespoon is about the size of your thumb. This one's a little bit tricky, so make sure you listen. The hand symbol for a half a cup of carrot sticks is 1 handful. True or false? And that answer is true. A half a cup. The hand symbol is 1 handful for a half of a cup. So it's half a serving of vegetables. What is the hand symbol for 1 medium apple, or 1 serving size of fruit, or 1 cup? Is it 1 pointer finger, 2 flat hands, 1 fist, or 1 thumb? If you said 1 fist, you are correct. 1 fist is the visual symbol for 1 cup. So let's recap. Choose the right serving size for foods representing all 5 food groups using hand symbols as a comparison. The number of servings from each food group needed daily. Dairy, you need 3. Vegetables, you need 3. Fruits, you need 2. Grains, you need 6. And protein, you need 2. And remember to distinguish between a single serving, a half serving, and a double serving of food group foods. Don't forget to eat your suggested serving size. This lesson was brought to you by the Dairy Council of California, the Orange County Department of Education, and of course, Miss Ford.